Hi, how you doing? Okay, good. Today I am coming at you from the AJC Modular Display Center in Brisbane, Australia. And behind me is the Airlie model. What we got here is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom modular home with a footprint of 68 square meters, which works out to right around 732 square feet. So as far as dimensions go, we are 10 meters long by 6.8 meters wide, which is roughly 32 long by about 22 wide. And I already talked about the square footage, so check. What I thought I would do today is we'll take a quick walk around the outside and then I'm going to duck inside, show you the Airlie, and finally I will get into the pricing. So yeah, let's do it. Here we go, people. The Airlie from AJC Modular. Now, I didn't verify that pronunciation before shooting this video, and everyone has gone, so that's what we're stuck with. I hope it's correct or even somewhat correct, but I guess we're gonna find out. Couple features, two, three features on the front of this home that I would like to point out right off the hop. Number one, covered porch. Always a nice addition if you live anywhere that gets sun, rain, or snow, which I'm thinking covers most people watching this video. Sun, you want the shade. Rain, you don't want to get wet. Snow, you don't want to have to shovel your porch. That's why it matters, okay? Number two feature, this door right here. So we've got the privacy glass from top to bottom, and that's just gonna let in a little bit of extra natural light, which is always a good thing. Number three is the roof pitch. So they used to do more of a peaked roof, but you can see it's offset a little bit to match their logo right there. And I just think it's a cool look. All right, let's take a quick cruise around the outside, airplane, and see what they got for windows. So we've got bedroom right here, bathroom. I did mention this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, and yes, the windows on the end are into the bedroom as well. Coming around this side, it's kind of a tight fit, but I want to give a little sneak peek at those windows right there. Remember those, because when we get inside, you're going to get a better look at them and think, why did he bother showing us from the outside? The inside is really all that matters, but here we are. Now, if this is your first video you're seeing on my channel about AJC Modular, they build with structural insulated panels, and that means that for the roof, they've got a metal roof, and the siding is steel. It's paintable. They've gone with a blue on the end. I believe that was a black on the side. Yes, it does appear to be black on the side, blue on the end, but that is all interchangeable depending on what you want, where it's going. Different colors are going to work well in different areas. Let's head inside, and boom. There are the windows that I tried to show you from the outside. Look at that. Doesn't that look cool? I think we will start in the kitchen. Okay, so they have got the Luxe package in this home. So you got the solid surface counters and a bunch of other nice upgrades. This is something that I quite like. It's the window in the backsplash. Big natural light guy, guilty. And what better way to add in a little extra than a window in the backsplash rather than just a wall of tiles, right? As far as cabinets go, let's see what they got going on here. So couple sets. This is just going to be the same. I know some people don't want to see in every cabinet, but some people do. Oh, a fluff came out. Some people do. So I'm not going to please anyone. I mean everyone, and I know that. Looks like those need to be adjusted after transport. And then here we've got the vent up above. 4-burner cooktop right there. Oven down below. You've got a little bit, oh, this probably goes around. Yeah, we're gonna get right in there. Yeah, okay. And under the sink, there you go. Okay. Now, what's this? What's this one right here? Does this open? I don't think it does. Okay. Double door there, and they have got the bank right here, which is going to be the perfect spot for cutlery on the top and everything else you want to put in drawers down below. Fridge may or may not be taped shut. It is not, so we will have a look in there. Freezer up top. Fridge down below. I'm gonna put that styrofoam on ice. And let's spin it around and get a better look at this dining and living space. Hang on a minute, we're not done. Right off the kitchen, they have got this pantry cabinet right here. And look at all this extra storage for your cooking needs, your food, canned goods, all that kind of stuff. Lots of room in this kitchen for that. There we go. All right, back to the dining room. Up on the wall here, that's not a mount for a TV. Oh, right there. That's not a mount for a TV. That is going to be where the cooling system goes. It just hasn't been installed yet because these homes literally arrived here yesterday. They got the electricians in, hooked them all up, and then staged them probably an hour ago while I was here, and here we are. So I think that's a pretty quick turnaround, and they look great. So you've got these horizontal windows on the sidewall, and I don't know that I've seen this like this anywhere else. So I am curious to hear people's feedback on it. I quite like it personally, but let me know your thoughts on that, because I think that's a little bit of wow factor if we look from right here. In the middle of the home, so this half of the home is all kitchen, dining, and living. And there's those windows right here. It's going to be out to a side yard or a backyard. And then the other half of the home is your bedrooms and bathrooms. So these bedrooms, I believe, are the exact same size. You've got the window on the end, you've got the closet, and one of the things I like that they do here at AJC is they handle the built-in. So it's not just an open closet. They've got some shelving in there, and they've got 2 levels to hang on. So if you got lots of t-shirts, hang away. You're gonna have more places to hang than you know what to do with. They've got a queen bed in here, and as you can see, there's room on either side for night tables. You got the feature wall behind the bed, as well as the window up above. And as I round the corner here, we're going into the ensuite. So toilet, shower, vanity, mirror, all the essentials in any bathroom. This opens up for towels. They've even got towels in here, even though the home isn't hooked up to water. So there you go. Let's keep moving. We will go back out into the living room section, have a quick look, and turn into the laundry room. So laundry sink, storage underneath, washer dryer combo, I believe. I haven't got a real good look at that, but that's most likely what they got there. And over here, I believe, yep, same closet that we just saw in the bedroom. So we'll keep it moving because I don't know, I just didn't think it would be a good look having the reflection of me that close in the video, but wouldn't be the first time. All right, similar bedroom, just reverse. You got the window on the end wall, you got the window on the side wall above the bed, and you've got the feature wall before coming into the bathroom. Little bit different bathroom layout in this one. So you've got toilet on this side, vanity in the middle. This one's a little bit smaller, still has the drawers there. And then the shower is right there. You got the rainfall and the removable. There's the closet in that corner, same as we just saw in both the bedroom and the laundry room. So we'll get one last look at this living space because I think it looks awesome with all these windows. But again, please do let me know what you think about it because, I don't know, it's different. and different can be spooky sometimes. So let me know what you think. Let's talk pricing. There you have it, folks, the Airlie from AJC Modular. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a footprint of 732 square feet or 68 square meters, depending on which way you want to work it, for a price of, well, just hold on a second, because I can't assume you've seen a video from AJC Modular, and they've got a couple different pricing options for their customers. Number 1, they build the home and you look after delivery, installation, and setup. If you want the Airlie and that's the route you're going to take, you're going to pay 182,000 Australian dollars. Number 2, they look after delivery, setup, and installation. If that's the route you want to take, you're going to be paying 207,000 Australian dollars. They call that option turnkey because you just pack your toothbrush and your clothes and you move in. Simple as that. That is it for me here in Brisbane. I hope you enjoyed the tour. This is the Airlie from AJC Modular. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next